Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the yellow border around your screen on your Windows. So if you have the yellow border on your desktop screen, then let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the very bottom and you'll find Screenshot Borders. Make sure that all of these buttons right here are switched on. Again, make sure all of these buttons right here are switched on. Then click on Accessibility. Then scroll down and you'll find Narrator. Make sure the narrator is off because this can also contribute to the issue. Then if you are using any third-party recording programs like the OBS or any other recording applications that you have on your Windows, just simply close that. And then in the Windows search bar, type here msconfig system configuration under the best match. Just simply click on that. Now here in the system config window, click on the services tab. Make sure to check this box and do not forget hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, click on apply, click on OK. And here you have to click on restart, and after that, after you have restarted your Windows, then your problem will be fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.